Hey everybody, without a doubt, one of my favorite fall traditions is going pumpkin or apple picking. It's a great way to get outside and experience the beauty of the season. I'm Julie, Editorial Director of Highlights Learning, here with an all-new collection of free digital resources to help you and your child find fall fun on the farm. Now, perhaps schlepping to a farm isn't feasible or even your cup of tea. Or perhaps you're like me. You've the best of intentions, but life gets busy and you just never find the time to make the trip. Either way, that's okay, because thanks to this week's collection of Fun with a Purpose resources, we're bringing fall fun on the farm to you. In our story, Pumpkin Hunt, Marcus and his mom go to a farm to pick pumpkins. But how can Marcus find the right one? Reading this story to a preschooler is a great way to reinforce early math concepts such as size comparisons, big, bigger, and biggest, or if your child is already reading, you may be interested to know that this is a leveled story with limited vocabulary and word length. It's a perfect opportunity for an older child to practice reading to you or a favorite pet or stuffed animal. Either way, it's a confidence booster for your child and a bonding time for the two of you. A win-win. I know that you're going to love this week's puzzle of a giraffe and a turtle picking apples at an orchard. You might use it as an opportunity to teach your child about cooperation, which we all need. How can each of us use our natural talents, long neck, low to the ground, to work together to get the job done? From the October issue of High Five magazine comes the perfect solution for any parent who's just a little bit squeamish about scraping out the slimy insides of a pumpkin. It's a new twist on pumpkin decorating using squeeze bottles filled with different colored paints for a no brush, less mess alternative that can be done in a fraction of the time. While you're at it, why not try our idea of painting smiles or uplifting messages on miniature gourds and leaving them on the doorsteps of friends and neighbors? Finally, for a seasonal chuckle, we offer our wheat harvest That Silly Puzzle with 24 rib-tickling, ridiculous things you can find. See if you can locate, our rolling pin combine harvester, the pancake hat, or my personal favorite, the stargazing penguin, in this conversation starter puzzle. We'll be back in a few more days with more free resources. In the meantime, let us know how you're doing. Drop a comment below, and remember that you got this, and go enjoy that pumpkin latte if you like.
Hey parents, find more great videos on Highlights for Grown-ups, the channel that helps you help your kids be their best selves.